Squats can be boring. Let's spice it up a little bit. 3 minutes, all squats. Let's get going. Let's start with our legs shoulder width apart. I'm gonna keep them about that wide for me. Sit it down. Now there's a lot of different thought about how feet should be placed, how you should drop your glutes. Here's what I suggest. Do what feels good to you. Not everybody can do every position. So let's go down and hold it. Notice I tap my toes. Every time I tap my toes, keeps the pressure out of my knees. Hopefully yours too. Now, if you notice my back, neutral spine, I'm gonna change this up. Let's go to the toes. Down, big toe. Try and keep the hips level. Big toe. Give me a couple more. Now I'm gonna go through these pretty quickly. You can do them as long as you want. Press. Hold it down, right here. Down, on the toes. Push. Hands can be here. Hands can be here. Anywhere you want, just push. I'm trying to think big toes. Butt back. Squeeze. Hold it down. I'm gonna ride the pony. Right here. Just tap the toes. You can reach the arms if you want more core work. Squeeze the buttocks and the inner thighs. Keep the knees parallel. Come on up. Watch the next one. We're gonna go down and hold. Legs are gonna go all 3 directions. Front, side. So it feels like a single leg squat. Other side, front, side. Keep everything in line. Let's do that one more time. Neutral back, sit, sit, sit. One more, other side. Reach, sit, sit, center. I need to come up, lift. All right, so let's add a dynamic element to the squat. We're gonna go down on the bottom and add a little jump or a little push off right here. Up, push, up, push, up, push, up. One more, push, up. I'm gonna do sumos. Down, down. Just the left leg. Pick it up, pick it up. Same release. All the way through. One more. Other side. Let's go. Push, push. Keep going. Push. We've got 4 of these. Here's your last one. Let's end with some dynamic work. So it's down, wide, narrow, lift. Just a little wider, stay low. Again, push. Right there. Push. Hold it down. Right, toe lift. Down, toe lift. Down, toe lift. Now just keep doing toe lifts. Toe lift, toe lift, toe lift. Give me a few more. Push. Lift off that heel, push to the toe. Toe lift, toe lift, toe lift. I hope you enjoyed all squats. Until next time.